guys, Chris here again. So what are we learning today? We're doing the CAST diagram, and you'll be amazed how many answers we're going to have in this question. Now, let's get into business. All right, so first of all, I'm going to solve for x. You cannot expand this, okay? It's not possible for you to expand because this, you have to take sine of if there is x, okay? So it's not possible. So we cannot say sine a plus b is sine a plus sine b. This is wrong, okay? This is wrong. All right, so now let's move on. So this is not equal to that. So it's not equal to. Okay, so first I'm going to take square root. So sine x minus 30 will be square root of 1 over 4, which is 1 over 2. Now from here, I have started losing marks. You know why? Whenever you take square root, you have to put plus minus. Very important. So there are two ways of doing it now. So I'm going to have sine x minus 30 is equals to 1 over 2, and sine x minus 30 is equals to minus 1 over 2. So I'm going to take inverse, shift sine inverse of 0.5. I'll get 30. So x minus 30 is equals to 30. I will take sine inverse, shift sine inverse of minus 0.5. I will get minus 30. Okay? Now what do we do from here? This is the tricky part. So for each, I'm going to draw a CAST diagram. So this is C, A, S, T. For each of them, which quadrant am I? The value of sine is positive, or you can see the answer I got positive. So I am in this quadrant and this quadrant and this quadrant by 30 degrees. So 30 degrees. Now, the next thing, whenever you don't have x here, you must change your limit. It's a must. And don't directly start solving it. You get it wrong. So I change my limit. So you're subtracting 30 from x. So x minus 30. This minus 30, so 330. And this minus 30 is minus 30. So I subtracted 30 minus 30 minus 30 because that's what I have. So my values I am looking for are in this range. So I only have positive. So my first answer will be this. This is my first answer, which is this. So I'm just going to write it here. So x minus 30 is equals to 30. This is my first answer. My second answer will be this. How do I find this? This is 180, right? This is 90. So 180 minus 30, 150. So this is 150. Okay, let's see if I can get another answer. Remember, I have to go to 330, and I'm in this. So first answer is, so remember, I always have to meet the line I'm drawing from here. This is 0, this is 270. So there's no other answer here. So these are the two answers. So I solve this. So x is, I collect like terms. This plus this, 60 degrees. This plus this, 180 degrees. So these are the two answers I can get from this. Now let's come here. So I still draw the CAST diagram. C-A-S-T. Which quadrant am I? I'm in the negative quadrant for sine. Where is sine negative? Here and here. So I'm here 30 and I'm here 30. Now you might ask, why am I not using the negative sign? The negative sign only tells you the quadrant. It is not for solving. Okay? So this negative, so negative 30 is there. That's if I'm coming negative. Okay, so my first answer will be this. But remember, when I go like this, it's positive. So this is 180, so 210. Then the other answer will be this, which is 360 minus 330. 360 minus 30, so this is 330. Okay, if I were to be going in the other direction, minus 30 will be there, minus 150 will be there. So this is not there because it's not in the range. It's not in the range. So x will be add 240 and 360. So these are my answers. So there are 4 answers to this problem. So be very careful. 2 things you should know. Change your limit if here is not x, whenever you take square root plus or minus. And finally, you have to add. Don't directly solve from here. You will get it wrong. All right, guys, take care of yourself and